yeah.
It's a Batman beat.
Yeah. Shop on every night, yeah, yeah. Bitch, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be installing the Bae Locs Bae Locs 12-inch. I have 4 packs of the color 30 and 1 pack of the color 27. So as you can see, this is already 1 pack on my head right here. So I just want to show you my braiding pattern, and then I will continue on braiding. So if you have been watching my channel, you already know this is just braiding it down and just installing it. If you want to do individuals as well with this locks, then you know you're going to need more packs. But since I have 4 packs of hair, I'm trying to use that basically so that, you know, I won't have to use more than that. Okay, so basically this is 1 pack, and inside of the pack is 12 locks that are in there. So basically I'm just going, as you know, as you see my fingers is doing. So here now, I'm gonna start using the color 27 and try to mix it up, basically even it out, you know, so that it will match basically every strand. Yeah, I'm probably gonna use every strand of the 27. So out of the 12 locks, there are 2 that has the 2 accent. Is each pack you have 2 accent. So 10 plain ones and 2 accent ones. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the 27. Also, when you're doing this one right here, this piece right here, make sure, because it's kind of a little bit difficult to pass through the hole. So I'm going to open it up and then take it in and just secure it like that. Okay, so yeah, this is what I will be doing. I will show you the final product when I'm done. Okay guys, so I just finished installing this Bae Locs Bae Locs. So I did install all 4 packs of this locks, and I think I like the result of it. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm loving it so far with the 30 and the 27. Like I said on my previous intro when I started the video, I used three packs of 30 and one pack of 27. So yeah, this is how everything is looking. Okay, so I really didn't, have enough to actually cover here, but you can't really tell that I didn't have any um, braids over here, locks over here, because all of this hair falls down and cover the side of it. So I'm not worried about it. I should have got 5 packs, but I really don't need 5. I think the 4 packs is enough. But even if I would have had 5 packs, it would have been like really, really big and bushy. Kind of, you know what I mean? So, yeah, but so far I am loving it so far. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. This here costs $6.99 at samsbeauty.com. Again, this video is not sponsored because I purchased this Bae Locs with my own money. So, yeah, I was just telling you where I got it, but you can find it also at your local beauty supply stores. So yes guys, so this is my quick install. This took me less than an hour to do. Like you see, I'm in the bathroom installing the hair, for this weekend. I have an event to go to. So yes guys, so yeah, I'm loving it. This is quick and easy. I keep telling you, I'm gonna bring nice, simple, easy, cheap hair to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.